Hello truckers, welcome to United Motors, part of Dawish bin Ahmed and Sons, your dealers of MAN truck in the UAE. We are here live today right at our authorized MAN workshop in Dubai Investment Park for a quick walkthrough at our service facility to show you guys the exciting things the guys are doing here. Stay tuned, I'll be right back. Hi, Mr. Manish.
Good morning, Mr. Prince.
Good morning. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Great. I'm fine. Always good to see you smiling.
Yeah, thank you.
All right. So we heard that you guys are doing some amazing job in this service facility. So we would like you to tell our viewers the amazing stuff you guys are doing. Will you be able to do that?
Sure, why not?
All right, viewers, Mr. Manish has been with the company. He's the workshop manager. He's been with the company for close to 20 years, and he's a perfect person to give you a quick walkthrough over the service facility and the amazing stuff they are doing.
Hi, I am Manish Kumar, workshop manager for United Motors DIP Service Center. United Motors DIP Service Center follows MAN service core process to boost customer satisfaction and loyalty and provide after-sales support for MAN truck and buses with 30,000 square feet state-of-the-art workshop facility with 20 bays and team of 40 skilled technicians for pre-delivery inspection, warranty repairs, preventive, corrective repairs, overhauling of driveline components, paint booth, washing bay with spare parts facility. United Motors also provides 24/4 mobile breakdown assistance in Dubai and Northern Emirates to customers. DIP facility caters to various government, semi-government and private sector with major clients includes DEWA, Sharjah Road and Transport Authority, various municipalities, Dubai Police, Civil Defence, Imdad, Dubai Airport and transport and logistic fleet operators.
All right, guys, so that's it for today. At United Motors, customer first is our priority. All our service facility across the Emirates are just to support you, our prestigious customers. So feel free and reach out to us on the numbers below for any support. Thank you.